We start our talk on graphology, hidden secrets of graphology. So for me to start, can I know what you know about graphology? For you all to take pains to come over here. So we have a platform to build and to start on. I am Dr. Jasmine Shah. I am an homeopath practicing classical homeopathy for past 15 years. In my journey of practicing homeopathy, homeopathy is one of the constitutional medicine, what we get Prakriti. In this type of holistic approach came graphology, came hypnosis, came chakra healing, came theta healing. And this is all an amalgamation, a combination in which the patient or a client is healed. Graphology is my passion, and so I am here because I have seen not only significant changes in my clients but in me myself. A growth has happened remarkably in all fronts. So I am here for my passion and love for what is graphology and what it can do. So to start my talk, can I know where and what we can start on? What do you all know about graphology?
Basically, whatever is written, just analysis, the way, the stamping, the positioning of the words, and the connection and the gap between two words.
Got it.
And try to understand the person's personality helps not only person, but possibly if I'm where to judge somebody, maybe in police or maybe there is maybe just want to see if the guy is correct for my friend or cousin or not.
Wow, half of my work is done. Anything else? It can cure illness. Yes. Yeah?
Can it has curative properties as well?
Graphotherapy does that.
So if you change the handwriting, then we can expect something.
Yeah, that's what we are going through this journey of 1 hour. From where does handwriting come? What it is? What, when, where, what, how? वो जो 5 questions बचपन में बोलते हैं ना to our kids. Always have that curious mind. What, when, where, how, and what is the 5th one? Why? So we will touch to these 5 points. From where the handwriting comes, what is graphology, what it can do, how it can help me, and why I should learn. Why are you all here? Stick to these 5 in any aspects of your life and you will see the changes and why, what, kahan hai. So basically, what is handwriting? Yes, please do sign also. It helps to cure. That was your very good. Anything else? We can have some inputs. Okay, I'm here to not only talk about graphology, but graphology and homeopathy. That is my first pillar. I am an homeopath basically. So homeopathy and graphology ko combine karke, how am I moving ahead in my life? As an LLB or as what in every profession, it's an important and a very nice and a secret toolbox within us. We can keep it without telling that we are graphologists, and we can analyze whether we can choose this as a partner or choose many other things. So you can work as a graphologist, you can know people, there are many other things about graphology. As she rightly pointed out, it is a personality indicator. Graphology, graphology. Ology is study of graph is graphology. Simple language, simple thing. Now what is this graph? Where can we see a graph? How? Maths, sales. We had those graph papers, heartbeats, ECG. ECG को heart नहीं दिखाते हैं उन लोग. When a ECG is removed, heart is not in any form. This is a right lobe, left lobe. It is represented in a graphological manner. A graph, a P, Q, R, S coding is done. Can I know in short who is who, like, so that I'm a little comfortable? What are you doing?
I'm a freelance trainer for custom shirts and sauces.
Wow.
I'm an architect and
With your name, please.
my name is Guru Prasad. I'm an architect and I do trainings in personal development.
Trainings in personal development. Somebody else share the same thing? Your name, please. Imran. Yeah.
My name is Mona. I'm a television journalist and teaching at teaching the TV news.
My name is Lard. I'm retired sales.
Welcome, sir.
My name is Shashank. I used to work with State Bank. I'm retired.
Welcome, sir.
I'm Kishore. I'm auditor.
You are?
Auditor.
Auditor. Wow. Teacher and counselor. Wow. All professions, everywhere where graphology can help us. We can throw some lights where what it can do. Personality indicator. Many definitions. Graphology is a neuro writing, nerve writing, brain writing. It is a soul, camera of the soul is my definition, and it touches me. It is just not how you write, what you write. It is what you are is shown by your writing. So for me, the definition just fits well. It is a camera of your soul, of your mind. This is graphology. So from where does graphology come? In the pamphlets which I have given, you will get ample of definitions of graphology. So what is graphology? We know it's a graphical representation of your writing, be it English, be it any regional language, anything you write. Doodle, drawing, scribbling, teenagers, small children just scribble, they pick up crayons. The colors which they pick up, anything you put on paper is a representation of a graph. There are many historians have many episodes of telling from where graphology has come. But the listed one is a father named Abbe Maiken. And he was like a father in a church where people go and confess, and he was a very good counselor. So he used to, like many people, I've done this, I have to commit, I have to confess. And he used to get those samples, and then he brought down this book on the major traits which we are studying in graphology. So Abbe Maiken is the one who has penned it down. There are many things. Even we had in ancient time. Our religion, our culture is rich with everything. It then goes and then comes back. Imported माल है. पर पहले गया कहाँ से? गया है इंडिया से ही. सब कुछ. So we also had in history graphology, how and when it was used. But Abbe Maiken is the one who we can list down. Abbe Maiken was a father in Italy. It was in 1600s. So now, from where handwriting has come is basically from where do you write? How we know what is graphology? अभी आया कहाँ से? अक्षर कहाँ से लिख रहे हैं हम लोग? No, in an individual, since when, if the handwriting, as a kindergarten student, if I am learning the strokes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all kindergarten schools have the same standard format books of teaching. How many of them write in the same way? As a doctor, not even monogamous twins write in the same way. Monogamous means एक ही gamete से आए हुए दो twins. Even their writing is not similar. No thumbprints are similar. All these years, there are millions and millions of people around. So similar way, handwriting is also, it can be similar but not identical. Have you ever thought about it? I knew this question would come today. Somehow in my sleep I just told my husband, as a doctor they are going to catch me, but I got good handwriting. I got a handwriting competition my first thing. And most of the doctors... Huh? No, you are right. Okay, I have two reasons for why doctors write illegible. First thing is the brand name. The medicines which come up, there are so many new things coming up. So as an antibiotic, I would know that this antibiotic would work. लेकिन उसका जेनेरिक नाम एंड ब्रांड नेम में इतने सारी कंपनीज आती है, इतने सारे एमआरस आते हैं, किसको करने का? सो आई वुड राइट ओनली, सपोज आई एम डूइंग एन एमोक्सिसिलिन, सो आई वांट टू राइट ओनली मॉक्स, तो वो मॉक्स को आई विल राइट नाइसली, आगे पीछे व्हाट हैपेंस इज जस्ट. So this is one of the reason. And second reason, the people who write illegible, basically you mean to say doctors write very fast, which is not readable, which means it is illegible. Chemist ka habit. I will come to that. How you form your habit. Chemist is second reason. Second thing what happens with doctors, when there is no coordination between the mind and the physical activity. It is very fast. Mind is very fast, and the physical activity is little slow. तो वो impatience आ जाता है. But that also you can come to know through the legibility, the way it is written. Everything is like, I'm saying it's a mirror of the soul, which means
Why my handwriting has
deteriorated. According to, see, good handwriting, do we have sample, Kini, of that? The perfect handwriting, perfecto. Good handwriting doesn't mean that you are a good personality. As a physician, so probably you have deteriorated. You can't. अक्षर खराब हुए हैं, स्ट्रोक्स शायद खराब ना हुए हों. We don't see handwriting. हम बच्चों को सिर्फ बोलते जाते हैं, अरे परफेक्ट लेकर, अरे अच्छा लेकर, अरे ऐसे कर. पर उससे तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी अच्छी बनती है जरूरी नहीं है. I will show you few cases if I have samples, and they touched my heart so much. As a human being, you are like moving. You have people like this here, and we have to heal them. And you know that you cannot do anything for them. You just can't be with them. And their writing is too perfect. That as a graphologist, no mistakes are nothing. No strokes are imperfect. Everything is perfect. So who are they whose life is really perfect? Are they living in reality? My calculations, she told me, "What, you please rest and take a cup of milk." My calculations failed. 3 o'clock I was at Churchgate station and it took me half an hour. No cab was available. वो perfect दुनिया किसी की नहीं होती है. तो कौन perfect दुनिया में रहता है? Who? Mentally disordered people. Classic case of schizophrenias. Oh my, we can't do anything. So good handwriting doesn't mean that you have deteriorated, or no, your bad handwriting doesn't mean that. Let us check your strokes. Okay. So graphology, if it was taught in the school as A, B, C, D, the strokes were taught in a particular way, they would have been same for all of us, at least in the family, at least from the same class, the teacher who has tutored us, but they are not same. So what does it tell us? Why is handwriting different? Because we are different. Okay. Experiences से handwriting बनती है. Okay. Thought process is different. Okay. Motor skills are different. Yes. Monogamous twins का भी example दिया. Still it is different.
Not bad, but
Okay, Papa, nothing is bad. Don't worry.
I mean, I can see
The difference in the treatment by the peers or the pressure, by the people around you all. Yes. Why is handwriting different? So for that question, we have to come from where does the handwriting come? Does it come from here? From where does the handwriting come? The way you hold your pen? Okay, what about people who don't have hands, still they paint? They are the best painters, you know, using this, using this, using this. We have best painters with... हाँ, तो वो मोटर स्किल्स ही है सिर्फ जो हैंडराइटिंग को अपना डिफाइन करेगा. What is it? Mind and coordination of... So it's a coordination. Something happens to mind and then we write through. This is just a instrument. This is just an instrument. This is just an instrument. Muscles से जो लिखते हैं. So we say it's a brain writing. When I defined in the first thing, it's a brain writing. So handwriting comes from the brain. Yeah?
yes.
All of you are like yes?
Brain and mind.
Brain and mind. Where are thoughts? I know. I'm not saying what. Where? Thoughts कहाँ होते हैं? Brain में. Mind में. You're saying this to both. Subconscious mind. So brain भी, अभी हमने बोला ये तो एक field है, ये तो एक माध्यम है. It is just one of the instrument. Even now I go one step back and say that brain is also an instrument, medium. If it was brain writing, it would have been similar for all of us.
Whatever I will think, right?
Anatomically, thinking comes from brain. Okay. Pause for some time. Brain, if anatomically I dissect, the sulci and the gyri, the zones and the lobes, everything is same for everybody. The cells, I go deeper down. The cells at the microscopic level are same for all human species. So if it was brain, is not brain for all human species similar?
The way they live, their lifestyle,
So yes, again go one step back, and it is just not your hand coordination or brain writing. It is just not brain, but handwriting is coming somewhere all deep. Mind.
your physical environment, your mental environment, your emotional environment, everything.
Part of it. Mind. So what is mind? Uncle ji, what is मन? हम बोलते हैं अक्षर मन से आता है. और मन कहाँ है? हार्ट में मन है.
Somewhere between the heart and the mind.
Somewhere between heart and mind. So chakra healing. Come on now, let's start.